all in a day's work. I'm gonna show you how easy and fast it is to make content with next level marketing. Well, let's see. So we got the title, got the keyword. I'm gonna make it this long. I'm gonna say right now. It's gonna take more credits because I've made it longer than 500 words. So now I wait for the writing to take place. I'm not gonna waste time, so I'm gonna go here and add a featured image. And you can see that our writing assistant has started writing the article. And now I have this mark needs my input. I'm gonna go and take action. So let's see what it wrote. So this is really good. This is very, very good for beginners in moonshining, which is what my new website will be all about. So this is all I've had to do. So you've seen it. I just told it, hey, create this content, make it this long, make it 1,500 words. I'll just save and approve, continue in WordPress. Okay, approve. And now it's gone, and I have nothing to do here. Right, so now you see this. You can see that the content is finalized. And now I have to move into WordPress just as I've said. So I'm here in WordPress. And now I can see my content. I'm gonna go make some edits. I actually don't have any categories right now. So this is it. This is gonna be it. I'm gonna click on save. Now it turned to blue. I'm gonna click approve. And now it goes into the queue. And at the right time, it's going to be published. So now you can see that the content is already scheduled to be published, so I can assign social media creation. Facebook and LinkedIn, so that's gonna work. I don't really need hashtags. I'm gonna use the article. I want to include a reference. I could make more social media post groups as you see here, but this is all I want for this content in this website. It's gonna cost me one more credit. Continue, and now we have our social media manager, the AI, is now assigned to this. Yep, I hit a cable there. Well, so this is happening. It's already 12 minutes. Now I can see that I've got a green here. I've got a yellow here. So this thing is 955, okay. This is good. So we only have this blog and hello world. It's just a moonshine blog. Right, so now you can see if we turn back, our social media assistant tells us that stuff has been made. Now I'm gonna take action, and I'm gonna have a look here and see if these messages are also good. So let's make a few edits. And right, this is it. So save and approve messages. And I'm gonna publish through Squirrly Social. And now you can see that the time has passed and the content was published to the website. So I haven't done anything to actually publish it. For example, if it's Monday and I usually publish content on Wednesday, then this would have been published on Wednesday, but I posted it today just so I can make this video. But in your case, you can just work in the beginning of the week and then all your marketing will get done for you over the period of your week. So you just have to work a few minutes on Monday, and then all of your marketing is complete, and this completely changes the game and changes everything that you've ever done before. Right, so now we're going to the social media profile. This is one of them where I've posted so that I can show you this demo. And you can see if I scroll up, the message that I've been selecting is already posted. See, it's formatted, it has the featured image, and everything works just fine. Now if I go to Squirrly Social, now I actually want to show you the Facebook page as well. So this is how you can check that it actually worked. Now it's automatically posted to Facebook as well. And you can basically see that I didn't work anything. So I said save and approve. It went over to Squirrely Social. Squirrely Social sent it to all the places. And now you can see it in all the places. Now this is not fair to the video because this is time that I spent on marketing only to show you guys on the YouTube video, but this is time that I wouldn't really spend because the automations just keep going on. So if I go to a post group, you can see that there's only one more left, and that already I have two messages that have gone out. So let's hit the refresh. So you can see both of them. See, they're different messages. Because this one is about rich history, eager to learn the step-by-step process. And it's about DIY enthusiasts. So these are different messages. There's one more to publish. It's going to publish using these rules right here and those social media profiles. But basically, my marketing for this week for this website is done. And that's all there was to it. Now, this is the biggest revolution in digital marketing.